So paint's finished. Just threw our layers on. Looks pretty nice if you ask me. Just drying up now. But now everything in here is going to be this brass color. So this door frame is really bothering me. It's not going to match. This isn't going to match. I went online and they only have gold ones, brushed gold. We're doing more of like a brass color. So I'm going to take this off. Take it off. I'm going to scrub all this stuff down with degreaser. And we're going to prime and paint it with acrylic spray paint. We'll see how it goes. One little trick I found, if your door handles are stuck on your shower doors, I actually have a paint can opener, and I wedged it in here on the other door and kind of pried it back a little bit so that it wouldn't be stuck anymore. Boom. Once you get one, the second one's easier to get off. And what I've been doing is you're going to have these metal pieces, but they're going to have these silicone pieces in them. What I've been doing is taking them and I put all the pieces I'm not going to paint that are mandatory to put the door back together. I've been putting in a little baggie. But you got to cut the silicone away. There we go.